NASCAR fans, and of course, Dale Earnhardt Jr. fans. Let's take a look at this one. 2004 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Coupe. This particular edition of the NASCAR series has the supercharged 3800 V6 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, that reverse E for the Earnhardt Industries. And then, of course, the number 8 on the side, incorporating Junior's number. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And, of course, you can call us, too, 507-386-1726. FYI, there is a front end cover, the license plate cover, and then a set of floor mats that will go with this car that will be in the trunk. As you can see, the paint in this car shows well in the 40,000 mile range in this one. We'll look at the exact miles here in a second. Now, of course, you can remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. This car has a clean Carfax, 2-owner car, always been in our area, stored winters. Confirms miles. Be happy to show you a copy of that Carfax if you'd like to see it. Just consult with one of our sales associates when you call in or email. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, I went around this car a little bit different direction than I usually do because I was informed that I had to make all left-hand turns when around this car since it was a NASCAR. So here we are back at the front where I usually start out. Take a look at the front fascia on this car. As you can see, nice condition, not full of chips, dings, scratches. There will be some touch-up up on the hood where you can tell this car's been cared for. If it's needed a little touch-up along the way, previous owners have done that. Again, still pictures, so you can take a look at the underside, engine bay, interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's check out the interior options. Of course, power windows, mirrors, locks, power seat. I'm going to unhook that key just a second here. Let's take it out. All right. Of course, the Dale Jr. floor mats, those are just in there for pictures. I'll throw those back in the trunk, and there's another set underneath them for protecting the carpet. There's the number 8, of course, in the door sill. As you can see, seats are worn very evenly and nice. Of course, this is just wrinkling leather. That's natural. There's no cracking, anything like that. Seats are in great condition, considering age and miles of the car. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center, of course, CD player, AM, FM stereo. Would have your dual climate control. AC blows cold in this one. It also has heated seats both sides, fog lights. Very nicely equipped Monte Carlo. Let's go ahead and start it up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I have not noticed any sort of aftermarket components on this car, whether it be exhaust, cold air intake, anything like that. Now, there's your exact miles. So 49,467. No warning indicators, no, warning lights, anything like that on. That's for your seat belt. I don't have the seat belt on. There's your dual climate control stereo system. Again, AM, FM, CD, dash. Nice shape. This car has been stored indoors. That is obviously to tell by the paint and the interior. Of course, this one would have the power sunroof, and then your driver's information center would also be up there. All right. Again, 2004 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, clean Carfax, 1 owner, confirms the miles, no accidents, driven summers, always in our area. I just wanted to make one more lap left-handed again. Since, like I said, as informed, I couldn't go around this one unless I was making left-hand turns. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or call or email.